Hi there, this is Alex from Tech Solutions Customer Support.
Got it. The assistant is talking, guys, and probably we should get the end of call report right now. Yep, we got it, guys. So this is the end of call report. Hey everyone, this is Sanjay from Aston AI. So in this video, we're going to see how to build a transient agent in VAPI. So basically, in VAPI we could build two different agents. That is a static one and another is transient. Static is nothing but a voice agent which is limited because we could call the agent, it can attend, but we can also pass data to our CRM or database. But when the agent is doing an outbound call, it doesn't have any past conversations with the customer. Like if a customer called it before, it doesn't have any past conversations. But in transient agent, which we're going to build in this video, it has multiple functionalities. It has the past data, past conversation data, and we could like it has multiple functionalities and features, and we're going to build in this video. So so let's get into the video. So basically we are going to build a voice agent in VAPI. So we'll get the assistant ID and API key and gonna put in some VAPI docs, and we'll get the code of that is JSON of the assistant, and then we're going to run it through make.com run it. For this video, in this video we are going to do make.com. So yeah, let's do it. So as usual, go log into your VAPI account, click create agent. I'm going to go with the template because for the sake of the video. So we have our agent. So whenever you get this, make sure to delete this, because when we call, it triggers. So client message is nothing but whenever we talk to the AI, for each status update, for each speech update, it triggers a webhook. We don't want that. We only want the end of call report tool calls. So you can just delete this. It's unnecessary API calls simply. So you can delete this. I also delete this function call. We can only have end of call report for this video. So I just hit publish. So yeah, our assistant is ready. And now go to VAPI docs. Yep, search this, click search and type get assistant. In API reference. In API reference, you can see here in assistant. You can see here get assistant. If you can't find it, you can just type get assistant, because we're gonna get the assistant. So that's what it is. So get the assistant code. So after you come here, click try it button. Then it's gonna ask the assistant ID and a private API key. So it has a assistant ID. We don't need that, and authentication not found. So token is nothing but the API key, and ID is nothing but the assistant ID. So you go back to VAPI, copy the assistant ID, paste it here, and then go to API keys and copy the private API key, paste it here. Okay, these are the two credentials you're gonna give it to get the code of the assistant. After that, you can click send request here or over here. So once you send this request, it's gonna give the JSON code of the assistant, which we could run it in make.com or some backend automations. Okay, it's taking a while. Not sure. Yep. Okay. It took 300 ms. Okay. Size. I think the size is big. Okay. So yeah. Yep. Copy this ID, and before you paste into a webhook response in make.com, please listen to this. We should delete some code in this assistant. So paste it here. So copy this. Go to JSON. So I'll show you. Type JSON editor. You will see this JSON editor online.org. Go over here, paste the assistant code, and listen to me carefully. We should remove ID and original ID, remove this, created it, updated it, remove this. So don't remove the comma because we have the code, we have remaining code. But you should remove the comma. Why? Because we don't have any code left over here. So make sure to remove. Wait, let me show you. If you don't remove the code, so is server URL secret set false? We should remove that. If you don't remove the code, it just shows an error. But when you remove the code, so basically you can, so if you have an error like this, you can just click auto repair, so it repairs itself. So no more complications. So yeah, so this is our assistant. So for less complexity, I'm just gonna delete some of the prompts. Still our agent will work. Yeah, I don't want to scroll, 10 scrolls at a time to get the assistant. So yeah, we got the assistant. You can just click this to sort out and looks clean. So copy this. So this is our agent. So this is our basically the assistant. So go over to VAPI. Sorry, go over to make.com. I already have this. Okay. Okay, we'll build a new one. Because I don't want to show you the already built one and collapse you. We just directly build a new one, and so that you'll get a complete experience, complete understanding of how to build things. First, you should type webhook and click custom webhook triggers when webhook receive data. It's not these, it's the first one, and add a webhook. I already have passed webhook, so I don't want to use that. So I just create a new, save it, and then add webhook response. When you go to a webhook again, it will only show you webhook response because you already add the trigger. So in body, you can add the assistant. And make sure if you don't remove those things, the ID, origin ID, created it, updated it, and is server URL fast. I think that's the last one. If you don't remove that, the assistant won't work. Like you can't call the assistant. So yeah, and one more thing. Before this, go to JSON editor. Click at the first top one, and then type curly braces, apostrophe, assistant. Guys, do follow me because it's very sensitive, and you guys want to know this because it won't work unless you type this. So this is the thing, guys. Type this curly braces and double. I think it's double quotation. Sorry, double apostrophe, and assistant and a colon, and then copy the entire assistant, not the code which VAPI gave us, the VAPI docs gave us, not the assistant. Copy the entire code, cut it, and then paste it right here. You follow me, guys? Paste it right here. Okay, boom, no errors. Click this. You have a small formatting errors. Click this. It's all sorted out. Boom, you have a working assistant. Copy this, go to webhook response, paste this, save it, save here, then go back. So before this, okay, now assistant is ready. The only thing you need to know, the only thing left is you should copy the webhook, make sure you copy the webhook, go to VAPI, numbers. Guys, if you don't know how to connect the Twilio and VAPI, make sure to check out my last video because I have explained completely about how to connect VAPI and Twilio. So yeah, so go over here, server URL and phone number, delete this. I'm going to paste the webhook which I copied right now. Okay, and I'm not going to give the assistant right here. Okay, inbound, outbound, I'm not going to give here because if you gave, it still works, but it's called a static. We don't want static, we want the transient agent, right? So go over here, delete this, delete the assistant completely. Don't panic, just delete it. Guys, if you did the process all correct, the assistant will work. I'm damn sure. So this is the number. I gave the webbook. So yeah, we can't give assistant. So what it basically does is VAPI gets the webbook from the Twilio. So this is the from the Twilio, and so we will be calling this number. That's 0192 number. So what this number does is, it doesn't have any agent with it. So it doesn't have any inbound agent with it, and it doesn't have any outbound agent. So basically what it does is, oh my god, I'm getting the assistant request, where could I process it? It doesn't know where to go. So it basically go to the webhook, which we have in make.com, and it passes through the agent, so the agent activates. So this is the basically a high level explanation I could give. So that's it, guys. Okay, we'll just call it. So guys, come out to Twilio Chrome extension, and then paste the number we got here. So we have gave the webhook right here. So we're gonna copy this. We're going to call.
Thank you for using your demo account. Please upgrade to a full account to remove this message. You have a
Hi there. This is Alex from Tech Solutions Customer Support.
Got it. Dustin is talking, guys, and probably we should get the end of call report right now. Yep, we got it, guys. So this is the end of call report, and before, if you look at the before report, it should be the assistant request. Yep, all good, guys. So this is how we could make a transient agent in make.com and VAPI. So make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel, because in future I'm gonna post more valuable stuff. And if you're a business owner, contact me if you want to work with me to build a voice agent. So yeah, guys, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.